Wendy Richmond Tutorials. I'll be your mentor and teach you about online course creation, passive income, tutoring, making and saving money. Reach higher. Testimonials. Sensei Alri, ValhallaMMA.com. Our mixed martial arts business trains a large number of students who already buy t-shirts. It would be nice to automate and expand it so I can teach more classes. We love the website Wendy created for us. Greg and Susan, CustomDreamRides.com. We were using Facebook but needed a better contact form so potential clients could let us know how we could help them and what their timeline was. Now we get emails every day and have more work than we can do. Sandy Mills Bookkeeping LLC.com. Our new website was even better than we added a Zoom room to meet with clients remotely and provided downloadable forms, links, and blog posts. The website works great, Wendy. You tutoring. Picture turning what you know into income. Do you know how to fly drones, make sets for plays, make the best cup of coffee, edit video content, or code Medicare billing the right way? Then you can help others learn through Zoom, share files and PC screens, and so much more. We've done this and we can help you set it up easily. Passive income. When you feel a need and duplicate that. Recognize that when you tried to find a product or service, it was not there. Find out why, address those obstacles, and you have a niche market to create residual income. Make sure there are enough other people that need it, and it isn't already free elsewhere, and of course that it isn't someone else's work. Your original creation can be what you know or what you make or have made, and then drop shipped it to your customer automatically. Making money tutorials. T-shirt printing automated. Learn how to set up a store with custom t-shirts, mugs, and more. Customers custom order, pay, and it ships direct. You set it up and it works without you printing t-shirts or shipping. What's more, you can upload your custom drawn designs, artwork, or photographs. Online course creation. Begin with these steps. Start with how you can help someone else. Outline the key points they need to know. Expand these ideas into actions or information they will need, broken into steps. Provide links and downloadable resources student will need. Then present this information in videos, PDF files, or Word documents to form an online course. Start with a logo, then social media. Learn how. How to connect with potential clients. Watch these tutorials and keep your website, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and other social media looking cohesive and very professional. Connecting these sales funnels works. Still need help? Our offering includes video intros. Learn how to grow your business online by presenting your offering in your own words. Logos and custom websites, design ideas and setup that speak to your goals. Web-based residual income, course creation proven to work for you over and over again. Earn money while you work on the next great idea. We're glad to design your website, help you get your videos, logos, and everything together, and host it for you as well. Contact us through info@wendyrichmondtutorials.com. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe for more videos coming soon.